Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the same Apple ID on each device. This is non-negotiable. Once done, open Settings or System Settings and enable iCloud Drive immediately. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and check your iCloud storage, free up space or upgrade if needed. On a Mac, enable Desktop and Documents to include those folders. On iPhone or iPad, toggle iCloud Drive and iCloud Photos. These steps connect your devices so files actually have a shared location, not just local copies. Next, configure exactly what syncs and how. Open iCloud settings and pick which apps store data in iCloud, files, photos, notes, mail, so you avoid syncing unnecessary data. On Mac and iPhone, set Optimize Storage if you need local space. This keeps recent files local and stores older ones in iCloud. If you use Windows, install iCloud for Windows or sign into iCloud. COM to access files. Make sure background app refresh and network permissions allow iCloud to upload and download without restrictions. Finally, verify that files finished uploading by checking progress in Finder or the Files app. Look for progress bars or cloud icons. If you see duplicates or version conflicts, decide which copy to keep and consolidate folders to avoid future issues. Make sure devices are on reliable Wi-Fi and not low on battery, since uploads pause otherwise. If syncing stalls, sign out and sign back into iCloud, restart the device, and confirm Apple system status for outages. These quick fixes resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.